Hello and welcome to the Greatest Tamil Science Channel. I'm your host Vishakha and we're in conversation with Dr. C.K. Nandagopalan. Hello sir.
Hello, Vishakha.
We've all heard about intermittent fasting, so it's quite popular now. At the same time, it's also said that it's very beneficial to have 4 or 5 small meals within the day. So what is the difference between the two? What is more beneficial? Is intermittent fasting beneficial or having small meals? Or for whom is what beneficial? If you can just throw some light on this confusion.
Yeah, intermittent fasting, whatever little that I saw, was staying without food for 16 hours a day. That's what is intermittent fasting. So the balance 8 hours, you eat whatever you want. Say for example, you have your meal at 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the evening today. The next day 6:30 becomes 12 hours. Then another 4 hours becomes 16 hours. That is 10:30.
Yeah.
So between 10:30 to 6:30 you eat whatever you want. 16 hours a day you fast. I am very sorry on this because I would like to throw a small light here. Say a person is 40 years of age. He comes to know about intermittent fasting. Right? So he says, okay, I want to reduce my weight. I will adopt to this. Don't do that. Why? Because 16 long hours of no food intake. You have to spend your glycogen.
Right.
The alpha cells has to work more, producing glucagon, which you have not practiced it before. You are making a particular set of cells work more.
Right.
If it doesn't help, if it doesn't going to happen inside the system, then you are in trouble. You will not know what trouble you are heading in for. You think you have achieved the intermittent fasting. This is what is intermittent fasting. There is a methodology that these people have found. If you do fasting, you should know how to fast. We have done a program on that. Please go and see the program.
Right.
This is not the methodology. Because you are allowing the alpha cells of the pancreas to work for too long a period, which it is not designed to work for too long a period. This is where. And the second question of yours is broken down meals.
Broken down.
Small you eat.
Right.
Now this field of diabetes have taught some years back, I've seen 30 years back, 35 years back, they allow you to eat, don't eat, 4 idlis. You eat at 8 o'clock during your breakfast 2 idlis. At 10:30 you eat 2 idlis. It's all the same. By breaking down time, it is not going to help.
Okay.
No. No way.
So the glucose released is going to be the same.
Same. By what you are doing is, see, there are times that salivary glands are active because you have conditioned yourself. This is where learning by conditioning becomes very important. Between 8:30 you're going to have your breakfast. Your every day you're practicing that and coming without break. 8 to 8:30 your salivary glands are very active. Suddenly from 35 years of age you're going to eat at 10:30, 11 o'clock again, little bit. Your salivary glands are not active. Saliva plays a major role. We are going to do a program on that. Okay, this is one. Second disadvantage of eating broken down meals. Instead of 3 meals a day, I eat 6 meals a day, I spread my food. It's all the same. But what happens behind? One is the salivary part, second is the liver. See, the stomach also has to take rest here.
Yeah, it's continuously working.
It's continuously you are making the machine work. Then the liver has to, retune itself. Every time it has to, see in Tamil, if you go and see the physiology, umilnir ondru, uvarnir nangu. Umilnir means saliva, uvarnir means 4 different acids from the liver. Every time it has to produce and give you. He's got so many other works. You go on eating every 2 hours and you are going on disturbing the liver. And it won't be able to carry out other works.
True.
If you eat at breakfast at 8:30 in the morning, it will finish its work by 9:30 and it will go carrying out work till 1:30 till your lunch. It is doing lot of other works. Again you are going and disturbing that fellow, come on, you work only for me at 10:30. Again 12. What is this? It's totally wrong. It will not going to benefit you, it's rather it's going to give you disadvantage only. Thank you.